Did you know your Mercedes-Benz hides some amazing features you probably never use? What if you could close all your windows and sunroof instantly with just one button, or reset your climate control without any hassle? In this video, I'll share 5 clever tips and tricks that make driving your Mercedes easier, safer, and way more enjoyable. Let's dive into these game-changing secrets right now. Number 1. Recirculation button memory mode. Imagine you're driving with your windows open and sunroof vented, enjoying the fresh air. Suddenly, you enter a tunnel or pass through smoke or heavy pollution. Normally, you'd have to quickly close every window and the sunroof while trying to keep your eyes on the road, a tricky and distracting task. But with Mercedes-Benz's recirculation button memory mode, you don't have to. Simply press and hold the recirculation button, and the car will automatically roll up all the windows, close the sunroof, and switch to recirculation mode to block outside air. Once clear, hold the button again to return to your original settings. It's fast, safe, and smart. Number 2. Reset climate control with one easy button. Many Mercedes models have dual-zone climate control, which means the driver and passenger can set different temperatures. Over time, these settings can get mixed up. Someone may turn off the air conditioning, lower the fan, or make the passenger side too hot or cold. Instead of fiddling with multiple buttons, you can reset everything quickly. Just press and hold the menu or auto button on your climate control panel. This resets the temperature, fan speed, and air conditioning to the default settings instantly. It's a quick way to make your cabin comfortable again, especially when different drivers use the car. Number 3. How to disable keyless go for extra security when needed. Keyless go is one of Mercedes-Benz's coolest features. It lets you unlock your car just by touching the door handle when the key is in your pocket. It's super convenient, but there are times when you want extra security, like when parking in crowded or risky areas. You can easily disable keyless go by pressing the lock button on your key twice. A small red light will turn on, showing the system is off. Now, your car won't unlock with a simple touch. You'll need to use the key manually. When you want to enable it again, just press the unlock button once. This trick keeps your car safer. Number 4. Save time with the favorites menu. Mercedes-Benz lets you customize a favorites menu, so you can quickly access your most used functions. Want your favorite radio stations, navigation addresses, or contacts just a tap away? It's easy. When you're on the feature you want to save, like a radio station or a phone contact, just press and hold the star button on the console. This saves the feature to your favorites. You can also arrange the order of your favorites for faster access. Next time you drive, simply press the star button and get to your preferred settings instantly, saving time and avoiding distractions while driving. Number 5. Change music without leaving navigation. When you're using the navigation system and a song you don't like starts playing, changing it shouldn't mean leaving your map or risking missing a turn. Mercedes-Benz offers a smart way to control media without exiting the navigation screen. Press the next track button near the touchpad or steering wheel controls. A small menu appears at the bottom of the screen, letting you scroll through radio stations or music tracks using the dial. This way, you stay focused on the road and keep your navigation visible. Once you've found the right track, just press back. The map stays right where you left it. Those were 5 essential Mercedes-Benz tips and 1 bonus trick that can truly enhance your driving experience. Whether you're a new owner or have had your car for years, these simple hacks save time and make your ride more comfortable. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more smart car tips. Share your favorite trick in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.